Welcome to Virtual Pools. As a pool builder, your website is your digital showroom. Now, imagine making it interactive, giving your website visitors a personalized preview of the pool you can create in their own backyard. In return, you receive their data, converting website visitors into leads. This is a new way to turn curiosity into conviction. Let's explore how Lead Generator can transform your website into your sales tool. When a potential customer visits your website, they'll see our Lead Generator on your homepage or any other page you like. In the next tutorial, we will explain in depth how you can place it on your website. With a single tap, your potential customer can upload a picture of their garden or use one of our template pictures. After the photo uploads, your customer can then personalize their design. They can choose the color of the pool and pick a finish for the pool border. To receive their personalized design, they simply enter their name, email address, and agree with the terms and conditions. 2 minutes later, they'll receive a visualization of their future pool directly to their inbox. This email is not only sent to your potential customer, but also to your mail account. In the email, we introduce you as a pool builder to the customer. You can test this by generating a new image. Once submitted, the lead's name and email will automatically appear under Customers in both your dashboard and application. With virtual pools at your side, the rest of the sales process will become a lot easier as well. If you're ready to add this AI tool to your own website, we have a step-by-step tutorial ready for you. We'll see you in the next video.